की खबर का बातें से टीवी
ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
की खबर का बातें से टीवी
ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka Jingjah pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Long ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course banong chef hotelier but kiwai bandep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Menteri ke Sarkar uba AL Heng ula licha sora ban pen ya ka Jingjah ben ka Jingwat iki arngut ki Kurim ki Raja Rngai kata Raja Raghuvanshi par kalok Jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi ki bara nongba Indur Jong ka Jilla Madhya Pradesh Hadian Baulawan Pai ula kren chikla pathai kubor banyathu iki kam ki ba ka Sarkar kala le banwan iki di ki arngut ki Kurim uba AL Heng ula ithu bala pha Kynhun ka search and rescue team nangta layalam bat ki sau pulin Nang tala penankam deki drone na nesak balap haru yaki special operation team sesora. Uba hek ulai thu bau additional deputy commissioner jong sora civil subdivision ula batai hu bamenta ka arpu pratrik ujumang lapha yaki shanongrian pendam dekhar maulakhian nang tala pha shamau saho wa kaliar wei saudong. Hadian baladap banwan nakini kijaka anwat sei kiriat kiram nadu mau kedong dieng po shru sora rim bat hasilanter kiriat ki badan hasurok ba katkum ka Jingbatai jong ba AL Heng ulo ong ba ki arngut ki Kurim kila poi hagasnang maulakhian haka arpu artri ujumang bat kila wanda ka wei ka skuti ka ba ki shishim wai bat kila hiar shanongrian lingba ka jingalam lenti jong utorus guide uba wansai bat kila sa shimit hashipara homestay ka badan hagasnang nongrian kimi na homestay hagasngi ka babut hakapon riu baji mistem daga jingthmu banlet biang shamawlakhian hanrei amshim ladan bayo iyeki bakin ya naklenti nongrian banlet shawa lakhian bat amdan hiru bayo i bakin wan shim ya ka skuti na mawlakhian haka arpusautri ujumang pan usordar jong ka sora rim ula pentim bakadon ka wei ka skuti kabala shi klem trai bat lingba ka i chalan lalam bakade kabala pendankam dakiti ki arngot ki Kurim haka arpusantri ujumang haka por architect ki bahayeng kila ujor FIR bar ki pulet kila register case haka arpu artri ujumang baro arngun ki ya ka plajong ki haman ha homestay kabadan ha site so pen sora namar ba amdan jakashu eki bansa kila ai ki phone number jongki shwa bakin dei wa jakasa shawai handai la yo jingte pen ban baki let no shanongrian lapli ya ka plajong ki balalam bakamdan AA kaban subasnio
Still now cannot be traceable. Number one is because I got the call from BJP leaders from Madhya Pradesh and also from the Honorable Minister, but I will not mention the name because they said that they're relative only. So they have told me to just to help them. Then I said, okay, since this request came from our party and also from the Honorable Minister, so I have some work also in in Sora today. So by both the work have been completed and combined. So assessment is not traceable at all. I had a meeting with the SDO civil, the BDO and also the another magistrate. But very, very difficult. They have tried their best. They have given all the details. So I have already sent it to you, the details, minutely. So, but traceable till now, till at this moment, there's no traceable at all. Conducted, I'm telling you, already have given to you, but I just once again, I just want to give you. So the Sora police station has initiated search operation for the tourist couple reported missing after their visit at Maulakhiat village, Elaka Menteng, near the double-decker road bridge in Nong Riat. From inquiry so far, we have learned that on May 22nd, 2025, the couple arrived at Maulakhiat village on the rented scooty and engaged in a local guide Masar Bha Wansai to escort them to the Shipara homestay at Nongrian, where they stayed overnight. They checked out from the homestay at 6 a.m. May 23rd, 2025 and proceed back to Maulakiat village. Since then, there is no traceable, no sign of the person's whereabouts. No, that is, I have already done my part, since that told me by my colleague from the Madhya Pradesh and also my party from Madhya Pradesh. So we have already, on humanitarian ground, we have been approached I have told the SP also, I have told the DC also, and also I have told the ADM, the SDO civil of Sora. Use drone also. They have used. They have tried their best, I'm telling you, from police department, they have tried their best, from the Sardar, Hima also, they have tried their best to locate and to find out the whereabouts of these couples, but they could not trace it out.
What is the possibility?
I cannot be able to tell you anything right now. The village which I have already mentioned to you,